Okay guys, check this out. This is called Marina Sands Resort. I'm here for the marina part. I want to see the boats. Man, there's some beauties in here. That is for sure. Not many. It is a small marina that's underutilized by the look of it. Although I did see a couple of real nice ones out in the bay about 5 minutes from here. Some beauties like that one straight over there. They look like that. Let's go get a little bit closer look at a couple of these. And you could live right there if you wanted to. This is located in Koh Chang, northwest corner of the island, not too far from where the ferry comes in. Siam Pearl. Is it a dive boat or? She is big, boy. Spotless, immaculate, big. Hello. They're watching us. Why, she's beautiful. Beauty. Marina, I guess, yeah? Yeah. Some kind of mussels growing on the side there. Maybe clams, but you'd think it'd be mussels. Oh, she's wide, yeah. I have to say the marina itself is a little bit worn, edged. Look how wide that is. She's big. She's really big. Lots of solar panels. She really is a big one. She's so, whoa, I thought I was falling overboard. She's so wide she takes up 2 spots, yeah? That's a beauty though. But I like that one. Of course I like that one. It's the most expensive one here. But I would have a lot of fun with this one as well. And she's probably one of the cheapest ones. That looks like aluminum pontoons. That's really cool. I thought it was a Zodiac like this one, but it's not. Look at that, it gets hot though. Look at this. That's a home on the water if I ever saw one. That is for sure. She is something else. Looking at the two of them, this one looks a lot newer, but very similar boats. Both have lagoon written on them. Just massive. There's the entrance to the bay. Nice little sailboat. I think this one's, she's called 31.4. Maybe she's 34 feet. This one's registered in Phuket. That's a long way from here. A really long way when if you look at the map, it's a different ocean. Really nice too. Really nice. The only problem I see with that is that's gonna be hot. And she's only as long as she's wide. She's a cool little one though. But you need something to sit on. You're gonna have third-degree burns. Let's go take a look at the other ones on the other side. There's a fishing village around here somewhere. I keep seeing the fishing boats going in and out. I can hear one now. I haven't been able to find them. The roads around here are a little hit and miss. That's a big boat. Pearl of Siam. This is huge. Here's a look at the Pearl of Siam. Hard to see. That's luxury right there. That's for sure. Oh, and it opens. The window opens into a door. Whoa. She don't have a very big anchor though. Oh, that's for sure. Okay. Let's go have a look at the other ones. There's not very many over here. I guess there's not very many on the other side either. There's the sign. No regrets. That's not the first boat called No Regrets, that's for sure. That's a small motor. Really tiny. 3.5, huh? This one's a 54. Quite a lot bigger. Probably a 30-foot, that other one. It's got 9.8. That's probably its dinghy. Pumping a lot of water out. 3 pumps going on this side. Seems a bit much for a fiberglass boat. As you can see, the water is less than pristine around here. There's the front of the other ones. That one looks really cool. She almost looks old style but new, you know what I mean? Like the old cigar boats, the wooden ones. She's got that same kind of shape, especially in the bow. That would be fun. That would be a lot of fun. What is it, a 250? I'm guessing 250. And I guessed right. That's a 250. Oh, she's beautiful, man. Just immaculate. And then there's this one. Oh, she's got plastic, got the windows covered with black plastic. That's a lot of boat. Sunseeker. See, it reminds me of something from a James Bond movie, this one does. That's just pure luxury, you know. Oh, unbelievable. She's got a Thai and a Malaysian flag. Ooh, there's shoes. There might be somebody home. Wow. It's so fancy they even dressed up the boys. That's cool. And then there's this one. The top looks wood. Is the boat wood? Fiberglass over wood? It's a catamaran. Sailboat. Thai flag. And the King's flag. Some plexiglass windows, they don't look so nice. But the boat itself is just immaculate. Oh, quite the rudder system. Huh? This might be a tourist boat. Very good chance this is a tourist boat. Oh, unbelievable. But I keep looking at this one. That is spectacular. Alright guys, well that's all the boats. There's some really nice ones here. There is no really bad ones, that's for sure. I'd be happy with either one of them. And you could probably live there if you were keeping your boat here. But why would you live there if you could live here? Unbelievable. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This stuff is just too cool. Life in the tropics. How good it can be if you got the bank account to match it.